What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Pass back today doing another video. We got Tanner's truck, we got my truck. We're gonna go exploring off-road. But we got like an hour drive, and I did forget the freaking time-lapse video. Braxton will get me some cinematic shots for the drive. You excited, boy? You excited? We got ham radios to talk between the two trucks. It's gonna be a freaking awesome trip. All right, well, we're gonna get the trucks and get heading. Alright guys, we have now made it to the trailhead for Tanner's cabin, and my truck's just up on the curb just to be somewhat off the road, and we found out Tanner's truck doesn't have four-wheel drive, or at least it's not engaging right now. We might need to be moving to engage it. He did put it in neutral to get it. Have you tried 4-high?
Yeah, I tried 4-high, 4-low.
Nothing? Nothing. So it sounds like we're going to be yanking him out, and then there's enough trees, I think we'll be fine, and a bunch of other people have driven on this, so it's not like I'm the first person. So I think I'm going to yank him out, and then we'll just leave his vehicle here for a minute, and I will try to drive up by myself. It's going to be an adventure. Alright guys, we got it hooked up. Just a strap from my truck to his truck. We're gonna have radios to talk between the two. I pretty much want you to almost idle, and I'll see how I can do to get you out. Because my back tire's on the asphalt still. And Braxton's our film crew today. So, yeah.
Yeah, I can fold in the mirror. And we're out.
All right, well, Tanner got stuck, so he yanked him out.
I wish it was just like a foot and a half of snow. That was it.
So now Tanner's showing us the way that we can hike in from the top, which is much closer. So yeah, now we'll see you when we get to the top to hike in. Heck yeah!
It looks fun.
Should we go do it? No harnesses.
You guys want to train to become Spartans? Yeah.
All right, so we made it up quite a ways. I took this corner bad, so she ran out of juice. She ran out of go. I think I might put her in low gear and get her to go. Yeah, so I think we're gonna retry this hill, but we're just chilling for a bit because my transmission got up to 225. That's pretty hot. So yeah, we're letting her cool down while we're enjoying the scenery. It's beautiful out here. Ready?
Si, senor. Oh, yeah, no. That didn't do nothing. Nothing.
I told myself, my dad told me, grab shovels. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna grab two. All right, we got our 7 ratchet straps holding the tree to the come along to the big old rope, and now we're gonna dig ourselves out a little bit and hope that we can flip her around and get out of here. Winch coming ASAP. Alright guys, so we got a little update. As you can see, I'm not anywhere near the truck. I'm very stuck. Our come along's not working. Again, winches are on their way. Not on their way yet. I gotta get home and then I'll order them. So yeah, Braxton and Tanner are freaking holding down the fort by the truck. They're actually cooking some burgers on the grill. So say hi, Braxton and Tanner.
Hi.
All right, well, I guess that's radio silence pretty much from them. It just said hi. Some more snowmobiles coming down. There's the second group we've seen. So I have a towing insurance coming. Not a towing, a non-profit towing agency coming.
Next time you're gonna fart, please don't hold down the button.
Hey, I like farting, and I'm still doing that YouTube update. You guys can say hi. Oh, there's two different sleds, and they came from that site that you were grabbing sticks from. All right, well, we're hiking down to Tanner's truck. Do have people coming on the way, supposedly. So I might have a really long night to get my truck home. But it's part of the adventure. Oh, and thanks, Braxton, for cooking me a burger. It's delicious, and Tanner. So, yeah.
Where is he?
Are you still up at the top? Oh, he's sliding. How was it? That's pretty good. This is zoomed out, so like what I'm seeing, and this is. That was great. Tanner, I'm ready.
Okay, ready.
He's definitely Halo sprinting. Those guys that freaking get down. He's way down there already.
Today is the snow day. It's a snow day.
All right, here's the two rigs to come pull us out. Got a couple Jeeps. They're yanking this other Jeep out, and then we'll go up and get mine. Should be a pretty easy, just winch them onto the hard pack. So yeah. So we made it back to my truck, and now we've hooked two winches to my truck, and we're gonna yank her out. Braxton's filming it for us, so thanks for filming, dude. We're gonna get me out and get home before midnight. Truck's just sitting in gear, no big deal. But there's the big old hole that we were in. He's yanking him back so he can get a better winching angle, and then they're winching me out. I am still trying to buy me one of these. It's a must need. Hey Braxton, how you doing?
Cold. Not too bad though.
We'll get in the truck and we'll be warm. All right, so we're yanked all the way from there back, and I'm flipped to the side right now. I'll be able to go straight forward and get them out. So much, I forget the name of this place, company, non-profit actually, that is yanking me out. I will get that at the end. About to head down the mountain. Phone's about to be dead. All right, I don't know if you can hardly see me. Let me get over here in this light. So we now have made it down to the parking lot. Shout out to those two guys. They're super cool, super fun. Ham radio, need to get a license ASAP. I have a extra, I have it, but I don't have a license.
I'm impressed as hell with your Jeep and your driving. What's that? I'm impressed as hell with your Jeep and your driving. I try. Some days I have moments and I do better than others. I try.
The radio's awesome. Yeah, so
The,
definitely gonna tag them.
About this poor thing is it is bone stock. I got 0 lockers. I got factory gears. The only thing I got is tires and a tiny.
All right, it is the following day. I got stuck one more time coming down the canyon, but we made it home nice and safe. And let me show you some of the stuff on the truck. So, still got all the crap in the back for the most part. I just took the cooler in last night. Still got tons of snow everywhere on the axles. So yeah, I couldn't go over 55 on the way home yesterday because there was so much ice and snow on the tires. It's not balanced, but it'll melt today. So now I gotta clean up. All right, so we're coming back with a little update and a little bit of explanation. Utah Off-Road Recovery Team is an organization, nonprofit organization out of Utah. They will rescue people all around Utah. If you get stuck off-road or whatever, they'll come help yank you out. They're pretty much run it. And I talked to the guy in the Green Gladiator is actually one of the original guys that started this group. And I was talking to him a bunch when he was rescuing me, and actually did invite me to join the group. I have to do a couple requirements for my rig and for myself before I can do it. So guys, I'm going to try my best to get that done as soon as possible, and we'll actually probably see some of that content on the channel if you do like it. So let me get to hard to work on getting that done. But again, huge thank you to Utah Off-Road Recovery Team. If you do want to go help them out, you can find their Facebook page and go donate to them. They're an awesome group to be able to go out and help people out, and they organize things and do everything very organized, just like if you were like the Navy SEALs or something, do a military thing. It's freaking cool. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passion.